In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of logging out of your Typeform account. Whether you are using a shared computer or just want to finish up your session for the day, knowing how to sign out properly is important for keeping your data secure. To get started, make sure you are logged into your account and currently viewing your main dashboard interface. Once you are there, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen where you see your specific organization name or your account details. Depending on which version of the layout you are currently using, you might also find your profile avatar icon located in the upper right corner instead. Either way, once you locate that specific area, go ahead and click on it. Clicking this will trigger a drop-down navigation menu that slides open to reveal various settings and options for your account. From this list, you will want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the menu options. Right there at the base of the list, you should see the clear option to log out. Simply click on that log out button, and the system will immediately end your session and redirect you back to the main login page. It really is that straightforward to manage your account access. I hope this quick walkthrough was helpful for you today as you navigate the platform. If you followed these individual steps correctly, you have successfully secured your account by signing out safely. Thank you for watching this tutorial on managing your Typeform session.